Hello, Franklin County Schools students, staff, and parents. I have quite a few important updates today as we wrap up the 2019-2020 school year and look ahead to planning for next year. We have received guidance this week from the Department of Health and Human Services and the Department of Public Instruction regarding the possibilities we should be considering in planning for our return to school in fall. These possibilities include a return with minimal social distancing, a return with moderate social distancing, and a remote learning only option. The decision on which of these options we will pursue will be based upon guidance from the governor's office, and this should be coming before July 1st. Once we receive this guidance, we will be communicating with you so that you can plan accordingly. In the meantime, be on the lookout for a brief survey next week where we will be asking for your thoughts on scheduling, on wearing masks, and other considerations that impact us as we plan for reopening. Along these lines, our remote learning survey indicated that many of you would like an online-only, full-time remote learning option for the 2020-21 school year. We're working to accommodate this option for interested families. Our plan is to provide this option through your base school. If this is something you are interested in, please be on the lookout for additional information from us in the coming weeks. We will be sending out a more detailed interest survey for use in planning purposes for this option. As many of you know, we have had one-to-one access to technology in our middle and high schools, with each student having a Chromebook for home use. During closure, we offered this option to our 4th and 5th grade families. We are excited to announce that all of our students will have one-to-one access for the upcoming school year. We've purchased tablets for grades K and 1 and Chromebooks for grades 2 through 12. More details to come, but we are excited about this opportunity for our students. This Saturday, our high school graduations will be airing beginning at 10 a.m. on our YouTube channel. Congratulations to each of our graduates. We are proud of you and we look forward to what the future holds for each of you. To our staff, thanks for your hard work and dedication in what has been a unique year for us. I have heard so many success stories around the work that you have done. We appreciate you and we hope that you have a wonderful, restful, well-deserved summer. To our students and families, thanks for your patience, your commitment to success under tough circumstances, and your loyalty to our schools. We are glad to be partners with you in the learning process, and we look forward to the 2020-21 school year. Have a safe and enjoyable summer. I will continue to provide you with updates, although they may not be each week. We will absolutely continue to keep you informed. Thank you and take care.